In this video I will show you how you can tie the half hitch knot. This is a hitch type of knot where it needs a pole or some other rope or standing part to stay together. Without it, it falls apart. First thing you do, you put the working end of your rope through a pole or a rope or a tree even, and basically you just make a simple overhand knot, really. That's all it is. And when you pull it, you arrange it like this. You pull the working end tight, so when you pull the knot it gets tighter. To tighten it, you pull the working end. The working end is the short end here, and the standing end is the fixed line, the long side. So again, I do it around this pole here, put the rope working end around the pole, and really just make an overhand knot here. And the important thing is that the working end, the short end of the rope, goes between the rope itself, the knot, and the tree or the pole. This will keep it from coming apart like you just saw earlier. You can make it left-handed, right-handed, doesn't really matter. As long as you tie tight, you have to make it tight here, and it has a chance to get loose. So if you want to make this knot more secure, you make it a double half hitch knot. And I will put a link in the description. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see that one, how to make the double hitch. It will be in the videos in the description. Probably I'll put it in the top comment. Let me know if you want to see more about that. So this is the half hitch, very easy to tie, instant. The knot is there. Not very secure by itself, but if you leave long enough working end, the short end of the rope, it's actually pretty safe for a temporary application. So once again, the working end goes around the fixed pole. Then you make, but when you make an overhand knot, it has to be like this, where the rope, the working end, it's sitting against the object you're tying it to. In this way, it has very little chance of actually unraveling unless the load on the line tension changes dramatically over time. It's most useful to tie on a fixed object like a pole or a tree rather than another rope. Let me know in the comment section below what knots you know and what are your favorite knots and what knots you want to find more about. Thanks for watching. Watch the next one.